Okay. Today we're going to see the difference between picking and shimming. This, move this in there a little bit more like it was tight, is shimming. Puts the shim right between the bar and the pawl, the shackle bar, and it just comes right on up. Now, picking a lock or bypassing is done with a different kind of tool, and it's stuck into the side like so. Releases the pawl down the side or down the front. Let's see if I can shim this with the, yeah, I can shim this with this almost. Okay, yeah, you can shim it with this tool too. I didn't know that. Okay, that's all I got.